How to generate a guest list and track added or edited guests. In this tutorial, we will go over 2 reports that are useful for exporting a list of your guests. First, we will look at the guest listing report. Go to Reports. Click on Guest Listing Report. By default, this report will select all guests. If you want to filter for specific guests, use the Add Filter button. First visit allows you to choose a number of days ago and select guests that had their first visit between the chosen dates. This is typically something you would use to send to new guests. Last visit allows you to choose a number of days ago and select guests that had their last visit between the chosen dates. This filter will retrieve both new and existing guests that visited within the set date range. Birthday will select guests with a birthday within the specified number of days. Gender will select guests with the gender that is checked off. Guest category will select guests that are in or not in the specified category. Employee allows you to filter for guests that have or have not had services done with a specific employee. Email allows you to select guests who have or do not have an email address on file. Phone allows you to select guests who have or do not have a phone number or cell number on file. Purchases is used to select guests who purchased any item, a service, a product or a gift card a specified number of days ago. Intake forms is used to select guests who have completed or not completed forms or who have outstanding intake forms to fill out. Appointments can select guests who have or do not have future appointments, have an appointment between a date range or have a no-show between a date range. After customizing the filter you want to use, be sure to click Activate Filter to enable it for the report. You can add multiple filters using the filter list on the left. You will see your active filters at the top of the screen. Click the X to remove a filter. Use the marketing message button to send an email or text to the list of guests you have selected. You can print or download this report using the buttons at the top of this screen. Next, we will go over how to view added or edited guests using the Guest Edit report. Go back to Reports. Click on Guest Edit Report. Select either Edited Guests or Added Guests. Choose a date range at the top. Click Additional Filters to view edits done only by a specific employee. You can print or download this report using the buttons at the top of this screen. We have now finished going over tracking guests using reports. Thanks for watching.